What up, superstars? It's your girl, Superwoman. Jokes! It's your girl, Miss Bollywood. And if you're a huge fan of YouTube sensation Lilly Singh, then keep watching to get her how to be a boss signature look. Here I'm using a concealer around and underneath my eyes. Blend it in with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to cover the eyelids using Fizz from the Smashbox Softbox palette. I'm going to take a rose gold color from the Forever 21 Baked palette and cover 3/4 of my eyelids on top of the Fizz color. Blend that all in. Then I'm going to take Cocoa from Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Edition and blend it into the crease as well as the outer corner of my eyelids. I'm going to highlight the brow bone with the shade Vanilla from the Smashbox Softbox palette. Take a black shade of your choice and draw a diagonal line from the lid to the brow bone, connecting it back to the crease, stopping right at the center of the lid. Add your foundation and blend, blend, blend. I'm using a Wet n Wild pencil in a medium brown shade to define my brows. Then I'm going to add some concealer to cover up any smudging. Contouring my temples, cheeks, nose, and jawline with Smashbox's contour palette in light medium. Taking a black eye pencil, I'm going to line my lids close to the lash line. Then going to go over it with a black liquid liner. Here, I'm using CoverGirl's Peacock Mascara and putting 2 coats on my lashes. For a dramatic look, you can add false lashes as well. Adding a dark rouge to my cheeks. Then, using a concealer underneath the cheeks to hide any smudging and unevenness. Taking a concealer stick, I'm putting it underneath my eyes because there was some fallout from the shadows. With an eye pencil, I'm going to color my waterline. I'm going to highlight my cheeks, nose, forehead, and Cupid's bow for a little bit of shine. The look will not be complete without a tribute to Lilly's Smashbox lip color in the shade Bawse. Damn, I'm feeling sexy already. Using a comb, I'm going to part my hair. Final touches time. Adding hooped earrings and a nose ring. And that is a wrap for this transformation video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Much love from me to you. Miss Bollywood, out. What up, superstars? If you were totally feeling this video, go check out my last one. The link is up there somewhere. Also, go create my second channel. That's right, you heard it. I make daily vlogs on Miss Bollywood Vlogs, so you can watch what's poppin', guanin' with me all day, every day, and the link is down below. Also, be sure to turn on the bell for ASAP's notification every time I upload and release a new video to YouTube. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of breath. But before I go, homies, give me some dabs. Boom! And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!